It was quite late in the night, but Ankit couldn't sleep. That's why he was scrolling through YouTube videos on his mobile. But he couldn't find any video of his liking.
There are so many YouTube channels, but there is nothing of my liking on any of them.
While scrolling, he suddenly looked at a strange channel. The name of that channel was Chudail channel. After reading that name, he stopped.
In that name, he stopped laughing. Chudail channel, what kind of name is this?
Channel, what kind of name is this? Did some witch make this channel? The name of that channel caught Ankit's attention. And he clicked on it and started watching his video. It was a horror video. His story was very scary. Ankit liked scary stories. That's why he watched it till the end. But as soon as the story ended, a very scary witch appeared on his mobile screen. And said in a strange way, "Did you like the story? Were you scared? Listen, subscribe to this channel as soon as possible. Otherwise, I will kill you. And yes, one more thing. Don't forget to take this as a joke. Because you won't get life again." Ankit had watched a lot of YouTube videos. But no one had asked him to subscribe to the channel. Oh no, what kind of a way is this to subscribe to the channel?
Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, otherwise, I will kill you. There must be someone who made this channel. I am not going to subscribe.
He turned off his mobile and went to sleep. After a while, he fell asleep. He was in deep sleep. "You are very sleepy. Now I will put you to sleep forever." Saying this, the witch climbed on his chest and started licking his chest with her pointed nails. And blood started flowing from the chest. After that, the witch put her mouth on his chest and started licking the flowing blood. How delicious is human blood! Nothing more than this. Saying this, the witch once again put her teeth on his chest. Ankit screamed once again. Suddenly, Ankit opened his eyes. He got up in a hurry. His breathing was fast. His heartbeat was so fast that it could be heard easily. All this was a dream. I am absolutely fine. I was dreaming about that witch. Thinking about all this, Ankit woke up.
All this was a dream. I am absolutely fine.
The fridge and took out the water bottle and emptied the whole bottle in one breath. Then he kept the empty bottle in the fridge. And as soon as he closed the door of the fridge, he heard a voice in his ears. "You will not get this life again." Ankit was shocked to hear this voice. He started looking here and there. This is the same witch's voice, which was telling to subscribe to the YouTube channel. But how is her voice coming here? He again looks here and there, but he does not see anyone. What is happening to me? When I sleep, I see that witch. And when I am awake, the same witch's voice is echoing in my ears. What is happening to me? That's when Ankit heard the witch's laughter.
But he does not see anyone. What is happening to me? When I sleep, I see that witch.
Me, save me. I had told you.
His voice is echoing in my ears. What is happening to me? That's when Ankit heard the witch's laughter.
Didn't you do it? I made a mistake. I will subscribe now. After that, the witch started laughing again and kicked him hard and said, "I had told you, you will not get this life again."
Didn't you do it? I made a mistake. I will subscribe now. After that,
gradually, such incidents began to happen with every person in that city. That witch's channel would have been saved. But unfortunately, very few people subscribe to that channel. That's why the number of deaths in the city is increasing. Brother, now I am always scared. What if it's my turn to die today? No one seems to know what is the reason behind these deaths. Brother, I have heard that there is a YouTube witch behind these deaths. The one who asks people to subscribe to her channel.
People, subscribe to that channel. That's why the number of deaths in the city is increasing. Brother, now I am always scared. What if it's my turn to die today? No one seems to know what is the reason behind these deaths. Brother, I have heard that there is a YouTube witch behind these deaths. The one who asks people to subscribe to her channel. And the one who doesn't subscribe to her channel, she kills him. YouTube witch. Which witch is this now? I don't know this, but this is the talk in the whole city. But why is that YouTube witch killing people? The terror of that witch increased so much in the people that people stopped watching videos on YouTube. In the same city, there was a girl named Manorma, who loved the world of ghosts and witches. People used to say that she could even talk to ghosts. By the way, she was a paranormal activist. Manorma G, we have come to you with a lot of hope. Please help us. The whole city is in terror because of that YouTube witch.
Don't worry, I will talk to that witch tonight. Let me also know why she is killing people like this. Manorma assured me. Then that witch came on the screen and repeated the old talks. But today when she was repeating her talks, Manorma was looking into the eyes of that witch and saying to her, "This is forced. Why would anyone forcefully subscribe to your channel? Go, I don't subscribe to your channel." Manorma knew that the witch would definitely come to her. That's why she was in her house with full preparation. She had made such a laser gun which also had an effect on witches and ghosts. And as Manorma guessed, after midnight that witch came to her and attacked her. I will kill whoever doesn't subscribe to my channel. I will kill him. The witch was about to attack him with her nails. But Manorma attacked him with a laser gun. A ray came out of the gun and hit the witch's chest. The witch started shivering with pain. You attacked me. You attacked me. You won't escape. The witch turned to attack him again. But Manorma attacked him again with a laser gun. The witch started shivering with pain. Don't do this. Don't do this. Leave me. I will leave you. But first tell me, why are you killing people? The name of the witch on YouTube was Nandini. She was a very poor girl and studied in a college in the city. But she was very famous among everyone. And the reason for her fame was her magic. She knew a lot of magic tricks. College people are surrounding Nandini. Nandini is holding a 2000 note in her hand. Look, can everyone see this 2000 note? Everyone keep looking at it carefully. Everyone was staring at that 2000 note. Then Nandini closed her fist and blew hard on the fist. And this time when she opened the fist, she had a very expensive mobile in her hand. Oh my god, where did this mobile come from? From magic. Everyone was shocked to see Nandini's magic. The entire college believed in Nandini's magic. Seeing this, some of Nandini's friends advised her to open her YouTube channel, so that her magic does not limit only to the college campus, but spread all over the world. Okay friends, if you are saying, then I will start my channel. But don't ever leave me. Nandini started her channel. In a few days, her channel became a super hit. Whatever she showed on her channel, it would have gone viral. Gradually, she got many millions of subscribers. She got a lot of fame. And along with that, money also came. Some of her friends from her college, Samir, Gagan, Akansha and Preeti, did not like it. Nowadays, Nandini's feet do not touch the ground. She has started thinking of herself as a big celebrity. Celebrity my foot. So many people like her came and went. This YouTube is also nonsense. She made the cheap girl a star. My maid is better than her. Their jealousy increased so much that they started spreading fake rumors about her YouTube channel and started defaming her. They started saying that this girl is a witch, and through magic, she takes over people's minds. Rumors started spreading, and people started unsubscribing her channel. And one day, she did not have a single subscriber, and she went into depression. And one day, she jumped from the college building and committed suicide. If your friends did wrong to you, why are you punishing the whole city? And by doing this, you are proving your friends right. Look, leave all this. I promise that I will punish all your friends who are not your friends but your enemies. After hearing Manorma, Nandini left. Manorma filed a police report against all her friends. Nandini was sentenced to suicide.